All right, so we're back with an update since Murphy's Law decided to come in and play. And let me tell you what we did here. We went and we disconnected the hydraulics. Let me show you right here. Let me turn the light on too. Okay, and the bleeder wouldn't break free, but that came right off. And it dripped a little. There was a little pressure behind it, but not enough that I would say would lock the brakes up. So what I did then was I jacked one of the front wheels up and turned it, and the brakes are adjusted tight, but they turn more or less pretty freely. So hopped in the truck, was able to pull it forward. As you can see, she's forward, so as soon as we get the cable free, we can at least get the back off. Went to back it up a little bit, nope, jammed, and then it tightened up on the front again. And when I went and did that front one again, I heard a boing. So something's up. So what we did is went and got my 20-ton jack here, 20-ton air over right there, and put it up there, and we've got this up on 2 jack stands. So we got both wheels up, and we wanted to check them. So we came over here and went like this, right? And look, it turns. Actually, it turns pretty easy. Just hard to do because it's heavy, and I'm single-handed here with you, holding you guys. So this one ain't locked up. What's up? Well, let's go check the other one. This one, that one's tighter than a man. It won't do nothing forward or backwards. So found the culprit. This one's locked up for some reason. I don't think it's bearings. I think it is brake related. I think we stepped on the brakes. We may have overextended it and it pushed the brakes out and they got stuck. So what we're going to do is I've got WD, not actually WD's blaster, working on these to get them loosened so we can pull this off. And then we'll get the back wheel off. And then we got to pull the axle, and we'll pull, see if we can't get the hub off to see what's going on inside. But it's this side that's doing it. So where are we at? Well, we have a new master cylinder coming, so we'll replace that out, switch it. We'll bleed everything through here and make sure that the hydraulics, I think it's working just fine. I don't think that's really an issue. I don't think anything jammed there at all. I think it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. I think we got something that happened here and locked our brake up. So we'll go ahead, we'll get things pulled off. We'll come back and we'll show you guys what we're doing and see if we can do that. I gotta work the PTO cable to get it going. We're gonna crawl underneath and do that next, and get this thing fired up and see if we can't get that flatbed off so we can start to work on that, because we're not gonna let her stop. The biggest problem with her being in this condition is I have to have a backup plan for when the 4-post list comes in. I'll do that Monday. I'll go off to, we have several manufacturers within a mile of me that have loading docks. I'll see if I can't let them, let me borrow their loading dock and them and their fork truck, and we'll dump it on the trailer to get it back here rather than putting right on the back of Big Bertha here. But just a quick update, tell you where we're at, and we'll come at you with the next stuff and see if we can't get her rocking and rolling again, because we kind of need her. Murphy is really, you know, being a pain in the butt. But anyways, we'll be back. We appreciate you guys. And stay tuned for more of this exciting saga of what Big Bertha's doing to me. Okay, so I thought I'd add a little onto the end here. We got the wheels off. See them over here. The big pain in the butt. I mean, they're not horrible, but proportional to the size. So what's got to happen next is I got to pull the hub bolts, pull the axle out, and then I got to see if I can get that off. Remember, it's kind of stuck with the brake, so that could be a challenge. But that's what's up next. We'll see there. The other thing we did, just might as well bring in, is we got the PTO cable working totally. So that's cool. So we'll be ready to fly. Okay. Well, now that is it for this. give you an update on the next ones that comes out on it. All right, guys, we appreciate you. Thanks for watching.